I warn you against shedding blood, indulging in it and making a habit of it, for blood never sleeps. I advise you to be God-fearing, for it is the head of every goodness. My ambition is far higher than the mere possession of land. Power is not in the number of soldiers, but in the unity of their hearts. To us, Jerusalem is as precious, aye, and more precious than it is to you. Do not dream that we shall give it up to you. Real strength lies in the control of oneself. War is not courage, it is a failure. Every day I am among the enemy. My life is in danger. He who speaks of what he does not know makes two mistakes. He misleads himself and he confuses others. Let the Muslim be my master in outward things, rather than the Latin dominate him in his own lands. I shall divide up my lands, make my testament, take my leave, and set sail on this sea to the Franks Islands, until there no longer remain on the face of the earth any who deny God or die. I do not consult my own desires in those things I decide upon. I consult religion and policy. The best of men are those who are of use to others. Let those who desire the good of Islam gather around it, and those who would destroy it be resisted. Do not have enmity in your heart for anybody, for death will not leave anybody. I have no hatred in my heart for anyone. I hate only injustice. I act for the good of the community and not for vanities of personal glory. I prefer mercy because it is stronger than vengeance. Poverty is a violent driver, but God has been generous in sending to the world our magnificent Master. Do justice to the people and look after them. If I can unite the Muslims, no power will stand against us. In the end, it is the truth that endures. May God grant success and guide what is best for Islam and for the welfare of the people.